Hi guys, I'm Scout the Doggie, and today we are going to do something a little bit different. An unboxing video, which is the first I've ever done for YouTube. This is the new gun that I received a few days ago from ICS. It's a new line that they've just started, so let's have a look. So inside we have the usual ICS manual, some patches, a brochure for the new gun, one packet of BBs, spare fuses, barrel cleaner, and this is a tool for adjusting the inside of the barrel, if I remember correctly. High cap magazine. I think this one holds 300 rounds, and you can see the BBs on both sides through the window. And the gun itself. Instead of ICS markings, it has the Pro Arms Armory, made in Czech Republic, and as you can see, this gun is a blowback. Nice gun, quite heavy, a bit heavier than the usual ones that I have, but very nice, quite a solid gun. The battery goes in here. I like that. I can see a few players in my videos using this fairly soon. Thank you very much ICS for the gun, and thanks for watching.